Hey guys, today is Saturday, April 16th, 2016. It's a beautiful day outside. I just hope that you guys' week went well and that you're planning to have a beautiful weekend, and I hope that the week went your way. If it didn't, then that's why we have the weekend. You just sit back, relax, chill, and have your way. You know what I'm saying? But right now, what I'm about to start doing, I'm about to start cleaning up before Tay gets home. She's at work right now, and it's nothing better than to come home to a clean house. Tell me about that in the comments if you agree.
Hey guys, off work. Now we're going to the museum.
Yep, we're going to the museum, and we're going to see some cool things there. We're not going to tell you what museum we're going to right now. We'll show you when we get there. But yeah, Tay's home from work. She said she had a pretty good day. Did you have?
Yeah, it went by fast.
Okay. Well, that's always good, especially if you got to work on Saturday.
Yeah, Saturday, working on Saturday sucks, but it's not every Saturday, so it's not that bad.
Yeah. But,
So,
yeah, we'll talk to you guys later, and we'll see you at the museum. Hey, all right, guys. Well, the surprise was that we're going to the Naval Air Museum. And basically, we're going to see a whole lot of planes, a whole lot of cool footage and stuff for you guys to look at too. at Red Robin just came from the Naval Air Station Museum. This trip to Red Robin. But hopefully you guys are doing good again. Saturday is pretty awesome today. And yeah, we'll talk to you later. Got anything to say?
Mm-mm.
Huh? What?
No.
What up, guys? Today is Sunday. We didn't end the vlog yesterday, but happy Sunday, guys.
Happy Sunday.
Hope that you guys are having a wonderful day. Hope that Saturday went well for you guys. We had an awesome Saturday. Went to the museum, went to eat and stuff. It's pretty productive, pretty fun, pretty good for a Saturday, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, but now we're on our way to go grocery shopping, go to the mall, just look at a few things at the mall, because we do have a trip coming up soon. We need to get some gear for it.
Yeah.
But yeah, guys, we'll talk. Alright, guys, we are at the mall and about to look for some shoes and stuff.
Yep.
Maybe some other clothes. But that's about it.
We'll show y'all if we find something cute.
Yeah.
Saturn likes these shoes right here. I think they're really cute.
Red doesn't match.
It's like gray. I like these right here too. These are really cute. The blue on there. It's just like $200.
Get 2 pairs of those.
You like those the best?
I like them a lot. What do you think about these? No?
I don't like those that much. I think he like these, but he don't like the white bottom that much. Do you like those?
Yeah.
You don't like that white bottom though?
I don't like the white bottom, but I like the way it feels.
Yeah. Those are really cute. Those Air Max are tight though. Those are really cute. Look at Saturn dancing. He's about to try on these New Balance. See if you like how they fit. I like them though. But they don't ever have his size because he wear like a 13, so we'll see.
Alright, folks. We up at Walmart.
The mall was not a successful trip.
No. I can't find no shoes because my feet too long and they too wide. I wear a 13.
And they're wide.
So I tried to put these New Balance shoes on. Looked like the seams was about to bust out them jokers. But
And I'm picky.
yeah, but I ended up getting me a little tank top, and I found some shorts I gotta wear, but I gotta order them online because my size, my butt kind of too big for me to order stuff or wear stuff in the store, and they had the right size as well. So
Yeah, like they always have small sizes in the store. Like even for girls, they always have the smallest size. Like really?
unless they just run out of a size, everybody
wear the same size, I guess.
Yeah. So
And I gotta order me some shorts online too, cause
I gotta order me 2 pairs of shorts, and I gotta order me a pair of shoes.
I just need some. I need everything, but I don't know. Probably give me some shorts. I can find cheap stuff, but when it's cheap, it don't last long. After I wash it, it's just gonna like shrink up or stretch out. I don't know.
So
We're about to go get a few groceries for the week. Go home and chill out for the rest of the day.
yep, chill out, fold some clothes.
I ain't folding no clothes.
Somebody gotta fold the clothes.
Okay.
Alright, guys, we'll show you what we get out of Walmart.
We probably ain't finna get nothing for real, cause
Yeah.
I'm really tired of going to the store.
We're gonna try to get some. We're gonna try to get like a lot of cheap stuff that don't cost that much. We're gonna try to stay under $40. We'll see how we do.
We'll see how they work.
So
We spend about $100 every time we go to the store.
Or more.
That's too much money.
Yeah. So $40 is the goal today, and that's
We'll
what
see.
we're gonna do.
All right, talk to y'all later. Just left the grocery store. We say under budget. Well, we went over only by 18 cents, which is not bad. We haven't spent $40 at the grocery store since it was 2 years ago. We always spend a lot of money at the grocery store, but decided I'm about to put the groceries up. I'm about to just sit in the car. It's so sunny and hot. He never lets me put the groceries in the car. I'm not complaining though. I see my hair. I washed it this morning and then I just put some conditioner on it. It's really over trying to do my hair every day. It's so annoying.
Guys, well, that's pretty much it for today. It was a pretty slow and chill day this weekend. These weekends was pretty slow.
Yep.
But we can be excited for the future. Never know what the future holds, and we're always gonna keep vlogging to keep these memories and vlogging to be you guys' entertainment. So
Even though we're probably boring, but
yeah, you know, we try to be as lively as we can. But we'll have some stuff coming up in the future that you guys will enjoy watching, because it'll be pretty fun.
yeah.
And we actually, I don't know if you guys knew it, but we vlog with our iPhone, and in the future we'll be getting a new camera, so that's something else to be looking forward to.
Yeah, have better quality.
Better editing.
Yeah.
These videos right now aren't the best, and we know it, but we will be doing better in the future, in the near future.
Yeah.
But all right, guys, we'll see you guys Wednesday
Bye.
for the midweek catch up. Peace.